welcome back to my creative space. It's Nicole with Mainline Craft Company, where we make wreaths and crafts and teach you how to make them. In the shop today, I thought it would be fun to demonstrate how to make this really pretty, perfect looking bow. So it has 6 loops on either side, plus a single loop in the center with 2 long, nice tails. So I'm making this bow for a wreath that I'm making. So let's get started. So for this project, we're going to need the Probow the Hand, the large model, a spool holder for the ribbon, and a bow fluffing box that we'll use to fluff the bow once we've made it on the Probow the Hand. 1 piece of floral wire about 21 inches long, and it's the length of the Probow the Hand. And for this bow, I chose a gray burlap 1.5 inch wired ribbon. You're going to need about 5 yards and 2 feet of this, which is about 11 feet. So here we go. So one thing I like about using the Probow the Hand is that it makes bow making very easy for me, because I am not that good at making a bow with my hands. And for this particular bow, the recipe that we're going to use is a dowel here in the main home spot, a dowel in row B right in the center. That's going to be for the loop in the middle, and then 2 dowels in row C, and it's going to be fingers 1 and 2 on the right and fingers 1 and 2 on the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ribbon, feed it around the dowel, and I want about 1 foot of a tail on my bow. So I'm going to measure from the edge to about right here. This is about 1 foot. So I'm going to pinch it. I'm going to take my floral ribbon and I'm going to wrap it around and twist it here like this. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come around the dowel for the center loop, and I'm going to put this piece on the home dowel, about halfway up. So take this top wire, we're going to twist it around the top, and the bottom wire, I'm going to twist it around the nail, tuck it out of the way. And for the tail, I'm actually going to push the tail up here so that it's out of the way. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go around the center dowel, and I'm going to come back here to where my thumb is. I'm going to pinch it, and I'm going to twist it. I'm going to hold it with my thumb, and we're going to go around the first dowel, come back to home, twist, and around the second dowel, we're going to twist, and we're going to go around each dowel 3 times. So you're going to go back over the first dowel, back here, twist, go over the first dowel on the right, back here, pinch it and twist, and we're going to go over the first dowel again, 3rd time. Come back here, twist, and the right first dowel 3 times. All right, Come back here, pinch and twist. Now we're going to go to the second finger on the left, second finger on the right. And we're going to do this 3 times on each dowel. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is bring it to the center, pinch it, and there we go. So I'm going to take the wire on the top, just pull it off like this, and the wire on the bottom, untie it from the nail. So now both of my wires are underneath the stacked part of the ribbon. So now, holding it tight, I'm going to twist. Give it about twist 3 to 4 times. Okay, so now I'm going to lift my loops off of the Probow the Hand, and this is what it looks like. So now I need to measure this tail. So I can take this and measure it the same length. I can measure it on the Probow from here like I did the first tail. Whatever you'd like to do. Alright. Just measure it against the other tail. And I'm also going to dovetail the ends. So we're just going to take both pieces of ribbon, fold it in half, and give it a cut from the folded side out to the corners. And that gives it a dovetail on the end, gives it a finished look. And now I'm going to demonstrate the bow fluffing box. So if you'll notice, this is pretty heavy duty. I like to use this because I can secure the bow and I can fluff my loops evenly, and looking at it from an aerial view I can see if the loops are even. So you can see in the center there's a hook screw, and then on this side is a nail. So what you're going to do with what you've created, you're going to just take this with the bow facing you, slip it underneath the hook, and then you're just going to pick it up, and with this end you're going to twist it around the nail so that it's in place. So let's see. Okay, so now we can start to fluff our bow. So there's our center. Here's one loop, 2, 3, and here's 1. Let's do like this, 2, and 3. And again, play around with it till it comes out as even and as perfect as you like. So I'm going to twist this box around. And here's 1, 2, and 3. Let's fluff those. And here's 1, 2, and 3. So guys, this Probow the Hand makes me look like a champ or a professional at making bows. Look at that. I am not perfect at making bows, but I sure enjoy making bows on the Probow the Hand. It does make it a lot easier for me, and they come out even and not lopsided. My tails. So now just untwist it from the nail and it comes right off. Continue to play with it if you like. But there you are. A very simple, very nice looking bow. And with the floral wire sticking out the end, I can use this and attach it to my wreath. So there's one. And two. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Share my video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, click the bell to receive notifications every time we upload a video. And that's it. For any of you interested, I will link all of the supplies and tools that I used for this video down below. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.